Hello friends! So today we're going to start in a seated position and we're going to sing welcome friends, it's yoga time, Thank you for joining me, ring the chime, And today I have a bell and I'm going to ring it. And you're going to listen and raise your hand when you don't hear it anymore. Ready? Great job. Right, I'm going to ring it one more time. Raise your hand when you don't hear it. Awesome, great listening. So today we're gonna learn about volcanoes and we're gonna do different poses for volcanoes and dinosaurs. So let's do a volcano breath. So bring your hands together at your heart. And you're gonna breathe in, pretend your lava is flowing out of your volcano. So breathe in and reach up. And your lava is going to flow out. Breathe out. Your lava is forming in your volcano. Bring your hands together. Breathe in and reach up. And let it flow out. This next one we're going to stand because our volcano is very big. So bring your hands together. Reach up, really, really big, and flow out. And then we're going to play the land and rock game. So you're going to find a place that can be your land. You'll want one spot to be your land and one spot to be your rock. This part is going to be my rock and my land. And you'll want a little space in between that is your lava. You don't want to step in it. So be careful not to step in. I'm stepping in it. I'm going to take my socks off because my floor is a little slippery. You might do the same. And I'm going to say land and you'll go onto your land. If I say rock, you'll hop to your rock. Right? Ready? Land. Rock. Land, rock. Be careful not to step in the lava. Rock, land, rock, land, rock, land, rock, land, rock. All right, and sometimes there's dinosaurs that are in the past that are near volcanoes. So let's pretend to be dinosaurs now. We're gonna sing, I am a dinosaur, I lift one foot. I am a dinosaur, I stomp that foot. I am a dinosaur, I lift the other foot. I am a dinosaur, I stomp that foot. I am a dinosaur, I lift one foot. I am a dinosaur, I stomp that foot. I am a dinosaur, I lift one foot. I am a dinosaur, I stomp that foot. I am a dinosaur, I stomp both feet. I am a dinosaur, I stomp both feet. I am a dinosaur, I lift one arm. I am a dinosaur, I lift the other arm. I am a dinosaur, roar real loud. I am a dinosaur, I roar real loud. am a dinosaur, I stomp both feet. I am a dinosaur, I stomp both feet. I am a dinosaur, I lift one leg. I am a dinosaur, I stomp that foot. I am a dinosaur, I lift the other foot. I am a dinosaur, I stomp that foot. Alright, dinosaurs. We see in the distance a volcano. So let's be that volcano. Stand up real tall. And sometimes volcanoes are not active, which means their lava is still getting ready to erupt. Alright? So let's feel our lava in our bellies. And we're going to breathe in. Breathe out. Do you feel your lava? Breathe in. And out. Do you feel your lava warming up? Breathe in. Breathe out. Alright, let's be a dinosaur again. But this time, we're just going to lift one foot up. And we're going to stomp it down in front of us. We're going to stomp it down in front of us. And we're going to reach down to that foot. Can you reach down to your dinosaur foot? Let out your biggest roar. Right, come back up to standing. Now you're going to lift the other foot. And you're going to stomp it down in front of you. Can you reach the foot that's in front? And let your biggest roar out. Alright, come back up. Now your dinosaur sees a rock. So let's make a rock. Come down onto your knees. Lay your feet out flat so the tops of your feet are on the floor. Then you're going to sit down onto your feet and curl up like a little rock. So lower down. And rocks are still. So let's be as still as a rock. Alright, come back up. Now we're going to make a bridge for our lava so people can cross over the lava. Right? So lay down on your back. You're going to bend your knees and place your feet on the floor, right next to your butt. Then you're going to place your hands down next to your hips. Lower your head and lift your hips up to make a bridge. Make a sturdy bridge so people can cross over it. They don't want to go into the lava. Alright, lower your bridges down. Straighten your legs and sit back up. And now we're gonna make a volcano. So some of you may remember doing this before. And I made a volcano last night that we're gonna use. I made this out of clay and sticks. And we're gonna use baking soda, dish soap, and vinegar, and a little bit of water. Alright? And you use this little cup to put the ingredients in it. So I'm going to add my baking soda. And our lava is going to be white today because I have food coloring, but I don't know if it's going to work. You can add food coloring and make it red or orange. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water. And I'm going to stir it. Oh, I got to add some dish soap to this too. Stir it really good. I'm going to open up my vinegar. And I'm going to hold my cup inside. My volcano dried up a little bit, so I don't want it to break. What do you think will happen when I add the vinegar? Let's find out. Whoa! Look at the lava flowing out. Whoa! It's flowing out the sides. Pretend that you're grabbing onto this pretend lava. This pretend lava is very cold, so it's okay to grab. If it was real lava, it would be really, really hot. And we wouldn't want to touch it. You see how the lava is all on the ground now? There's still some at the top of the volcano. Let's pour it out. Thank you so much for enjoying this volcano with me. All right, I'm gonna grab a towel because my hand's wet. And we're gonna take another volcano breath. So this time we're gonna be standing at first. So bring your hands into your heart and reach up, pretend to be that lava. Breathe in, reach up, breathe out, and lower your arms in your lava. One more time. Breathe in. And we're going to lay down on our backs now. Or we can sit first and do another volcano breath. So one more volcano breath. Bring your hands into your heart. And reach up. Your lava's flowing out of your volcano. Breathe out. Right? And now we're going to pretend to be lava. So lay down on your backs. Or maybe you're laying on your side. Really pretend to be that lava. Like you're melting into the floor. You might have your eyes closed, or you're looking up at the ceiling. And you start to feel your head is getting warm because you're really pretending to be that lava. And your shoulders are getting warm. And your arms, and your hands. Feel your tummy. Is your lava making your tummy warm? And your legs are getting warm. And your knees. And your feet. Start to wiggle your toes because in your fingers, your lava is boiling. because it's really, really hot. Wiggle those fingers and those toes. And now our lava is beginning to cool, and it's forming into a rock. So let's bring our knees to our chest. Hug your knees. Pretend to be a rock. Be still like a rock. Roll to one side and come back up to a seated position. And we're going to end today by singing goodbye for now. Our time has come today to end our yoga play. We say goodbye for now. Our time has come today to end our yoga play. We say namaste. Thank you.